Let me teach you how to save your damn money and make your own glitter henna cones. I'm sharing all henna secrets because my spine needs an early retirement. So let's go. Number 1, you need an empty henna cone. Don't know how to roll one? Don't worry, I have a detailed tutorial. I will link the video below. Number 2, you need 2 mixing spoons, a teaspoon and a tablespoon. Number 3, you need extra refined glitter. Not sure where to get this? I will add the links below. Now this is the key ingredient. Xanthan gum, make sure you get extra fine. Any brand will do. This product is edible, vegan-friendly, non-GMO, and gluten-free. You need olive oil and plain water and, of course, a mixing bowl. Measure out ½ teaspoon of xanthan gum and ½ teaspoon of olive oil mixed thoroughly. Mix until you form this thick paste. Make sure you mix properly. Start off by measuring 2 tablespoons of water and mix vigorously. It's crucial to mix well to avoid clumps. Look at this gel beginning to form. Keep mixing. You should have this boogie-like consistency. I want you to add 1 more tablespoon of water and keep mixing. So in total, we have used 3 tablespoons. We add our water slowly to avoid clumping. Now, for the fun part, add your glitter in. I'm not using too much glitter for this demonstration to avoid wasting. I would recommend 3 teaspoons or more. Remember, the more glitter, the better the pigment. I will do a comparison in the end of what it looks like with more glitter. Simply spoon the glitter into the cone. Now, let's tape this cone up. If you're not sure how to tape and seal cones, I have a detailed video on my YouTube channel. If you're watching from YouTube, I will link the video in the description box. Now let's test consistency and compare less glitter versus more glitter in the gel. The consistency is just a dream. Absolutely love it. Now I've added double the amount of glitter in this gel. Notice how the pigments are nicer, so I would say experiment and add what you prefer.